Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming fundamentals. Open Destiny 2 and go straight to settings right arrow audio. Make sure voice chat is on and pick the correct microphone device so your voice routes into the game. Once done, verify platform privacy on Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam so the game can connect to other players. This prevents permission blocks that stop chat from initializing. Doing these steps early saves time and isolates whether the issue is in-game versus your console or PC settings. Next, you tackle network and hardware sources. Test your NAT type. Open or moderate is ideal, and if needed, open Destiny 2 ports on your router. Restart the router and, when possible, switch to wired Ethernet to reduce packet loss that breaks voice. Meanwhile, inspect your headset and chat adapter for loose connections and update audio drivers or console firmware to eliminate compatibility bugs. These steps address the middle area where most voice problems hide: connectivity and device-level conflicts that disrupt real-time audio. Finish by validating in-game systems and performing final resets. Toggle Fireteam chat and leave, then rejoin the Fireteam or recreate it. Sometimes session routing fixes itself. Clear cache by fully quitting Destiny 2, restarting your platform and verifying game files so corrupted settings are rebuilt. If problems persist, test voice on another account or device to isolate Bungie-specific server issues and gather logs before contacting support. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: switch to direct wired audio and hard restart your network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.